Some big news coming in. Centre enters Bengal via app route. The newly made RT-PCR application will give access to the central government of cases in West Bengal, which were so far being monitored by the state with limited access to the centre. The centre now taking the app route, the RT-PCR application method that will give the centre access to the number of cases of COVID-19 in West Bengal. Remember, so far, the cases were being monitored solely by the state and the centre had limited access to details. Now we hear that the centre has managed to take the app route. The newly made RT-PCR application will give access to the central government of the cases in West Bengal, which were so far monitored by the state itself. Very limited access that the centre had to the details in West Bengal. Manogya joining us for more on this. Manogya, this is the centre trying to get more details from what's happening in West Bengal. We hear that the mortality rate is not very pleasing. And looking at the allegations on the state government for not sharing adequate details, here's the centre coming out with an app, the app route that they are taking to get access to details of COVID-19 cases in West Bengal. Do tell us about the RT-PCR application.
Well, this is an application that will now be made mandatory across the district hospitals as well as Kolkata hospitals, asking all the authorities and the officials who will be working on ground and will be collecting the data to make an entry immediately as they get a patient. Now, this also means when the tests and the lab tests are being conducted, the data entry will be done in this app, so which will both have access to. That means the state government and the central government both will have access of it at the same time. This also will give a lot of surety and smoothness in the entire process and transparency also, which has been one of the biggest concerns of the ICMR when it came to the state of West Bengal.
Right, Manogya, how is the state government receiving this move?
Well, now that it has been made almost mandatory across the state, every health official who is going out in field, especially because of the increase in the number of people who are arriving from out of the state also, there are many mobile labs and several other facilities that are being provided on ground at the maximum possible level. Now, this also means that these people will be able to collect these swabs and then the entire process of testing will be done in a way which has proper digital data, because just last week, around a week ago, Rajiv Sinha, the Chief Secretary of Government of West Bengal, has said that the data from West Bengal that was missing was found, and the government, both state and centre, do not want to repeat a similar situation again.
Right, Manogya, thank you very much for joining us with those details. Here's the state getting access to details of COVID-19 patients, deaths, all of that via an app on West Bengal.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.